to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Ongezwa, but you can call me City Mom. Why are you looking at me? Because I am a mother of 3 handsome boys. If you've been here, thank you so much for the love and support. To my new service, thank you for joining the family. Today I'm not alone. I am with Unalumqina. If you don't know Uno, but today we're having a sit-down video that you guys have been requesting. But let me not say the video that you guys have been requesting, because we're not going to talk about that guy. But I don't know what she's going to ask me. I wanted to do a sit-down, but I felt like it's going to be more interesting if I'm doing it with someone else. Hence, I have her to interview me for you guys. Right.
Hi guys, so I'm sure Nani has Funes Ndaba, because recently we know that your baby daddy came into the country. Province, he came into the country, and I think vlog questions. I had so many questions. I think mainly also because we know how unhealthy co-parenting is, especially in our community, Black community. We are not privy, or we're not exposed to co-parenting healthy. We can both co-parent. You can be happy in a partner, whatever, whatever. So I just want you, maybe let's take it back a bit for the people who maybe are seeing you for the first time here, and
especially to the new people, because I feel like I've once did a podcast with what was that lady? Promise. I once did a podcast with the Promise, and then I had like 5,000, 6,000 people. So from that 6,000, I now have 11,000.
Yes.
So it's okay. I can do it again and answer, because I always say this. I never get tired of answering the same questions over and over, because I mean the channel is growing, and someone who's new might not know in the so it's fine.
So we're gonna take it back, and I want you to tell us specifically. We are specific long tana. When we encounter others coming into the picture, we will celebrate them. No, let's put it out.
Yeah.
So Kabeza, we will revisit this conversation. So how did you guys meet? What happened? Okay, and what broke you guys up? Then I know you guys have a good relationship, and what led us to this point?
Hey, I want that good relationship. I'm thinking even now we are fighting, but okay, we met here in Durban. No, not in Durban, here in Joburg. He was staying here in Joburg, and we met in church. There was this church. I used to be a church girly, so guys, I don't go to church anymore. But I met him in church. He began in like I don't remember, but I met him in church. He was new in SA, so he didn't stay for long. I think he stayed for like 2 years. Like he didn't stay for long. He was like, there's no money in South Africa, I'm leaving. He left, just like that. But I don't want to say unfortunately, because now I'm gonna make as if but well, let me say fortunately, for God had blessed us with a child. But the only problem now is that I find out when pregnant, and then I said and I have to now call him, tell him that I'm pregnant. And he also obviously doesn't believe, pregnant. I'm not even there.
It's not me.
I'm not even there. I was like, dude, I'm pregnant, and then I know it's you, because ever since you left, it was a couple of months. I think it was 3 months. Like, I know, because I haven't. So I know, but there is just no way. I'm go Maria, so it's obvious it's you. So that was so hard. It wasn't easy. Trust me, we fought. He wanted DNA test. it was a mess. Oh my God, it was a mess. But I was patient because the one thing about me, I'm a very patient person. So I went through that pregnancy all alone. He wasn't here. He wasn't in South Africa. So nje akunakuthi hey yazini akekho vele. So when I gave birth, wafuna i-DNA test, and I was like, cool, let's do a DNA test. I don't mind. He didn't want us to do, he wanted to choose the place asokwenza khona i-DNA test. Yeah. Everything was, he was doing everything himself. Okay, I'm gonna choose a lab, I'm gonna send you those things. When I send them back, this, I don't know, but I did it because I didn't want him to feel like
okay.
Yeah, but so I was like, okay, fine, let's just do it, whatever. Fine, we do all those things, and then that's history, saba right. So now he knows ukuthi umntana ngowakhe. The minute he got the DNA test, yeah, phuma my results 99.99 don. I said, you see, told you. It was like, no, the way yakwenzeka ngakhona. And no, I don't blame you. Trust me, I don't blame you, because one thing about me, my first and my second child, I didn't know I was pregnant. I don't know why. I think also it's because I don't get period pain, so I don't really see or feel body changes for a month or 2 or 3. I don't feel anything. And but why am I periods also I don't know whether I'll say it's age because I was young in both my pregnancies, but yeah. And then he left, and we found out he started taking care of the baby. But for a very long time, he wasn't emotionally there. He wasn't emotionally invested in knowing him, in having a relationship with him. For a very long time, I've been begging him to be part of the baby's life emotionally, because financially,
okay.
Yeah, but for me, it wasn't enough. It wasn't what I wanted. I was happy, obviously. I mean, save money, and I don't have to stress about school fees and stuff like that. But for me, it was just not enough. I was like, this is not what I want. So I had to beg. I have to convince. I had to, for the longest time, to get him to come to the party. You need to have a relationship with him. He's growing. He needs to grow. In a relationship now. And it took fully 11 years, as you guys saw. When my son was turning 11, that's when he said, I am coming to celebrate. 11 years.
Do you think that experience made you come out of your comfort zone? In terms of, we know Guti, we have pride.
Yeah.
And it's easy to say, you know what, I do not care. I can afford my own child. Mamu kono, tatu kono, banbanu kono that will take care of my child. Do you think that was
Look, I've been lowering my pride ever since I've told him that I'm pregnant. So ukuzehlisa now, for me, it's what I'm used to. I don't know. I don't think I have pride when it comes to my kids.
I love that.
Yeah.
I think that's, for me, it's very commendable. I want to say that because
yeah.
Tina sithanda ukufakana ubuxoki.
Yeah.
No. And Tini, I don't care about him. No.
Not me.
No.
I don't think I have pride when it comes to my kids, because if you know the story of Utata Galubanzi, people don't understand why Dincenga. They don't understand why are you offering him a DNA test? Why do you beg? That's because I just don't have pride when it comes to my kids. I'm not doing it for myself. Another thing, I'm doing it for my kids. So anything that involves my kids, I put me down. And when, as my baby daddy, you can walk all over me. Not my kids. You can walk all over me. It's fine. Mina, I feel like I'm old. I'm fine. I can take care of myself. Pain, I'll cry it out and wake up, tag it out and continue with life. Because I know pain. But when it comes to my kids now, I don't want them to experience this thing that I'm experiencing. I don't want them to feel the pain that I'm feeling. So it's more like I'm taking their pain away by me getting disrespected by this person that I once loved, who's disrespecting me now, pretending as if he doesn't know who to were in a relationship who didn't use a condom, and now there's a child, you know. So I want to take their pain away while they're still young. So that bengazukhula Betty, where's my dad? Why don't I have a relationship with my dad? And fortunately for Ogusha's dad, he cut it short because he's still, like, he just turned 11 years. He cut it short at the age of 10. So 10 years moving forward, he has a good memory with his dad. He has a relationship with his dad. He talks to his dad on the phone. I don't have to, you know, there is no middleman anymore. So I had to cut that pain at a very short time. By the time thank God he came to the party. With Lubanzi is 2 years turning 3. I still have to push, as much as people always say I'm so caught in don, and people don't understand. But to me, it's not about the money. Hence I was fighting this one. Would you giving me the money? But that's not what I want. I wanted to have a relationship with your son. So with Utata Lubanzi, wherever he's sitting, he probably thinks I want money. I'm not rich. I don't want money. But and I'm praying it doesn't get to the age of 10 years or 11 years or 15 years, because 15 years they'll be and the bond is saying yabo. At least manje masebe bancane uyakwazi yabo, the bond, I could see the bond between these two, but baze ba happy bo. Even the one that I was begging all these years, I was like, look at you being happy. He was the one going around looking for the plugs because he bought him that
PS6, PS5.
I don't know, PS5. Now he bought it in the US, so the plugs are not the same. He was going around Googling, looking for, because he wants to play a PS with his son for the first time. And I was looking at him, I'm like, uyazibona uhappy njani
kodwa
bongafuni bongasibona isidingo beyothe kugitshelwa phezu kombhede. I'm like, okay.
How did it feel like a figure, like bonana? Have you ever seen?
One thing about men, they don't know how to show their emotions.
Is it?
No, they don't. It was yeah. I was like, what nonsense is this? But I knew they were happy. I knew my son was happy. I knew he was happy too. But no. CTO.
Did you cry?
No, I didn't. I think I waited it for too long. That when it finally happened, it shocked me. So I didn't have the time to cry and be too emotional. I was just enjoying to see happiness yomntanam. Yabo, I had no time for myself. Ben attend to make sure baba happy. So I had no time to sit and in land, but it's finally happening because take us here, you know, that's all. I wanted to create so much memories, in a sense that I took them so much videos, pictures, all that. Every day I was sending him videos, I was sending him pictures, you know. I was creating the memories. They were living in the moment, and now I was here, because I knew Guti, as much as they're living in the moment, they're gonna need those videos and pictures. So now I played the part of America, remember. Exactly.
Did you have any problems with
after my son?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you think you'd ever have a problem if angahamba aye abroad, ayomita ifamily yakhe most abantwana bakho kwabo?
No, the plan is to take him. We did a passport for my son when he was it 2 years or 3 years, I don't know, but he was still very, very, very young. So that has been the plan ever since he knew that that's his son. So expire kengoku, so uthe masihambe siyoyenza kwakhona. So that has been the plan. I don't have a problem. The only thing that I said I will never allow is for him to take him. No, that one. He'll move to the US when he's maybe 18, or 21, when he's just old enough to make his own decisions.
Yes.
For now, we agreed that you're not going to take him, but if you need to come this side, feel free. You can come to SA. If he needs to go to the US, feel free. I don't have a problem. But moving, I know.
How did Mama feel when he'll never move? And I can imagine Mama and how she would feel, because she is the primary caregiver.
She'll never allow it.
Going to as in Joburg, what was going on?
She didn't want to, because my mom is a very busy person. She's a businesswoman, so her businesses needs her to be lapaya. So I was like, I would to take it as a break, take it as a mini holiday, nyana. But I think we were all happy for Oguhle. It wasn't about us. It wasn't about us. It wasn't about anyone else. It was about us have been wanting this moment for Oguhle, and it's finally happening. So it was like, wow, everyone was just happy. How's Oguhle? How's Oguhle? All the calls. How's Oguhle? How's Oguhle? I'm like, Oguhle is fine. He's having the time of his life. He's in the hotel. Every day he calls me, Ma, please bring me clothes. My clothes are dirty.
Ooh.
That was his life. that was his life. Up until his dad was like, no, it's fine. I'm going to go buy him clothes. He didn't care. He didn't want to be in my house. I think
it's a plus kodwa kutata kokuhluna imali. Mna ndibona eza Gucci slides ndathi nazo gubalo oyapi wathi wena undiphi phone nazo. Guys, who says awujoli naye lo muntu, awuchatanga naye lo muntu ave athi uthi, oh, actually I have a business, my business, I need a phone. Ati, iPhone, latest iPhone, same time.
Well, he was sitting in the drawer, he wasn't using it.
But he could have given it to his family.
They all have.
That means he has a soft spot for you, though. Please agree to that.
Yeah, look, my baby daddy has a good heart.
Okay.
Generally, he's a nice person. He's not an evil person. Yes, we fight here and there, we disagree, and when he fights, he loses his mind. But hence, when I said I need help, he was like, actually I have an iPhone 15 because I upgraded. Every year he upgrades. So I was like, it's in the drawer, no one is using it, I'm gonna bring it for you. I was like, okay, cool. Because actually I wanted him to send me money to buy a phone. He asked, which phone do you want? I'm like, I'm using an iPhone 13. I don't mind an iPhone 13 because what's important is that I need two phones. I was like, no, man, iPhone 13 in Dala. Let me give you the iPhone 15. I was like, great stuff.
Do you think there is ever hope for you guys? And I ask this a lot because I believe in love. And I know you believe in love. I know that for a fact. Hope
as in getting back together.
Yeah, the reason why I ask this is that usually.
Yeah.
And I know that he doesn't have a partner currently. You don't have someone.
I don't know if he doesn't have a partner. We don't talk about those things.
Okay, let's say he didn't have a partner. Okay, partner
he was. He actually is.
Is it?
Definitely. She knows me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why ngazanga naye? Guys, mina ndingafuna uhamba ndithi South Africa kanti.
Ubuthi ungafuna uhamba.
Guys, if you know me, I think I would take it from a point of view kuti now I want to meet you.
The thing is, I don't want to talk about the relationship because there's a lot that I know and I don't want to talk about it.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah.
Also, we can't
No, it's fine. They people who've been on my channel, they know that my first and my second daddy babies, they got married after me.
Did that affect you?
Yeah. I mean, You question yourself, what are you doing wrong, you know? I remember when I did that podcast, a lot of comments were saying this is a spiritual attack, you need to pray. And I know it's a spiritual attack, but I mean, it's life, so there's nothing I can do. It's my challenge. Not really. Some painful things, you learn to live with them. They're painful, right? And
that's painful.
There's nothing you can do. Yeah, it is, but there's nothing you can do about it. So you learn to live with it. Because if you don't, then you're not gonna enjoy your life. And there's more to life to enjoy than wondering and asking yourself, why are men not choosing me? Why am I not lucky with love? You know, you ask yourself, but there's a lot to enjoy to life. I know having someone to love you for the rest of your life, it's also beautiful. Sharing your life with someone. But if you're being attacked like that, you can only pray and leave it to God that hopefully one day a man will choose me, you know, and I don't have to go through all those things that I'm going through. But also, I don't want to put them too much in my head so that now I enjoy life. But you kind of question yourself, how? And then, why? You know? And funny enough, baphinde divorce, babashiya.
Baphinde baxakeke
kwabona. Divorce, uphinde uzibuza uba bawuvele ungishiyelani vele.
Kahle wakhetha
why bongishiyelani, you know? But yeah.
Have you ever asked him, like, nalovana naye ukuthi actually?
No. I don't want to
open that.
Yeah, because it's gonna hurt me. And it's gonna break the little friendship that we have that is helping us to co-parent. So it's better I don't involve myself. What happened?
So with both of them, during their marriage and done, did you ever communicate with their wives, or was it from you to Tatumdan?
My first baby daddy, it was just him. I didn't have to communicate with the wife. And then the second one, the wife kind of got involved. Wapinda was Cooper. So yeah.
In a good way or in a bad way?
I don't know what happened. I was like, I can who's over right. At some point, ube right, ne? Ube right. Because get nomntana naye.
Olale ngokuthula.
Udibene naye lo muntu enomntana but nguye ongaxelelanga. So how is it my fault? It's not my fault. And andimithelanga indoda yakho etshatileyo ndazojula nayo ndayimithela. Ndimfice enganamntana. Benganamntana sazijolela samithisana. Then ke ngwachata wena ndingenaphi ke.
Would you be friends with any of the wives, out of curiosity?
Friends, no. A friend is a...
Not a friend like that. I hear what you say. I hear where you go. Friend, no. Not a friend, Kalonzo.
Friend.
But I mean...
I can have a relationship with you, like a co-parenting relationship, which I had with Ogutle's
mommy.
Yeah, so I don't mind. I like... Because I'm not gonna sleep with your man or your husband. I'm over that, you know. He chose you, he didn't choose me, and I'm not gonna be now bitter and sleep with him to, I don't know,
to spite you.
Also, or make myself feel better, because you're obviously not gonna know about it. We're sleeping together, but I'm not gonna do it just to. But yeah, no, I respect myself. I love myself and I respect myself, so I'll never do that. But hence, I don't mind having a co-parenting, even with the wife. If I don't mind, because look, and it ends there.
I think that takes a lot of maturity, because you are, if I example, everything that you are doing, you're doing it for your kids.
Yeah.
At the end of your bottom line is the kids. Come rain, come sunshine, I'm just doing it for my kids.
Bottom line.
And
the thing is, if you sleep with your baby daddy, right, and you guys are sent again, You guys broke up, done. And then this person gets married. Okay, let's just say the person doesn't get married, right?
Okay.
Uqhubeke wena. Uvule imilenze. Trust me, you're gonna ruin that relationship. That co-parenting relationship, you're gonna ruin it. Izophela. And izawuqedwa yini ile nto eniyenzayo. Because ni-complicate izinto manje nifaka ama-feelings, nibuyele emva, niyalalana, nithi. No, try cope. A healthy co-parenting doesn't have to involve sex. It doesn't. You can do it without being flirty with your baby. Akabi impintshi yakho nje. Mina ubaba umntana mi impintshi yami.
I could co-parent now.
Why?
I think because that, like I said, your bottom line is the kid.
It's the kid. Sigruva sonke thina ubusibona seklabhini sithini. And trust me, and I'm sure people are wondering, but you go to the hotel, ma'am, awekho lawa ama-feelings emotion ukuthi manje hey lo muntu ngathi ningalalana. Awasekho, siyavana. Into abalekile la ukuthi umntana ethu asibone ukuthi si-happy. Angithi naye ufuna umama wakho uyamthanda, utata wakho uyamthanda. Aba bantu endibathandayo bobabini ndifuna ukubabona bethandana. So ukubabona kwami bethandana akungo-kiss. No. Ukubabona bethandana bayahleka, cracking jokes. Hey, do you remember? You know, siyahleka. Umntana ubona abazali bakhe behleka bobabini. Ba-right aba bantu. Into ebadibanisayo apha ndim qha. Ilo picture esizama ukuyakhe emntaneni. Asifuna ukuba romantic. No.
You know, I always say to my friends, Guti, I was actually speaking to a friend, to be specific. She's going through challenges in Chattanooga. And I was saying, I think I wouldn't stay in Chattanooga that is taking me through challenges as Afektuzani. Because for me, Ongezwa, I am the first image Zani has of love.
Yes.
It's like you,
yes.
Co-parent. Put it together, it's the first image abona kuti.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Bayavana babantu. So if I am not happy mna, disemchatweni, disahlaleleni, for instance.
Yeah.
If you are born like abana how I know this then.
And you know what I always say with parents now, with married couples. Okay, let me not say, because khona abantu abangachatanga but bahlala bonke no partner babo and stuff like that.
Ngithi bachatile.
This says chattis. Okay, fine. The thing is, I feel like narcissists, we're dealing with men who are narcissists, the men who don't want to take care of their kids. And I always say, as much as I feel like Pandora, my baby daddy, it's his nickname, it's fine.
Wow, Miss Pandora.
It's on the streets.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. It's not his name. I always ask myself, Fuguti, how is his background? If you are a human being who can do this to another human being, ukhuliswe njani? That is my problem. So when I'm coming to this thing you were saying, that when you guys are arguing in front of your child and fighting in front of your child, you guys are creating a monster. This monster will one day be someone's husband, will one day be someone's father. Now this monster that you parents have created, akasakwazi ukukunikeza uthando because akalazi endlini. And it yena into ayaziyo ndabona mama yami was always fighting and defending herself utata. So utukhulisa umntana onjani. Hence I always say, guys, any person who does something evil to the next person, check that person's background. Ukhule kwi background enjani. So mna andimthethelela utata umntana mkhohlakele. He's a very evil person. What he's doing is I thetheleleki because Kalubanzi, yes. I thetheleleki, but I always question because I don't know his background. I wasn't in his life long enough to know Guti was his dad around and you know. But I always question Uba, guys, the reason I say I am doing this for my kids, I am doing it for their mental health. I want to ukukhulisa abantwana aba mentally healthy because uthando bayalazi.
Important.
Balazi uthando, balazi endlini, balazi kumama uthando. So abazuhamba ke ngoku bathathe uthando abalaziyo bangalinika abanye abantu. Bazobanika because uthando bayalazi. Hence we don't want to uba kuliwe. Uyabona xa ngixabana notata babo andixabani nabo bekhona. Ndithatha ifowuni ndihambe nekamereni ndimshiye okuhle ndihambe ndiyothuka utata akhe ekamereni ndibuye ndihleka phambi kwakhe. Ndimthukela utata akhe ndimthukela uba xa sesirayithi sihleka sobabini phambi kwa okuhle.
And that's what he needs. Otherwise ukhula emresenta.
Yes.
Nobebuye bomini bakhe.
Uzawuba nememory ukuthi umama ubehlele ethukana notatam. But ngoku he doesn't have that memory because I've never done it in front of him. He doesn't know when I'm shouting his dad. He doesn't know when I'm begging. Akazi nix. Yena nje wazi ukuthi utata akhe ukhona uyamthanda. You know, he doesn't have a memory of me shouting and swearing and why do you keep on sending money? He doesn't have a memory of that. I'm keeping a clean memory. No, your dad stays far. That's why he's not here. He's not in South Africa. And I keep it at that. Oh, now your dad is here. He came to visit. Mina nje ngifuna umntana abe nama memories ukuthi mina anikhumbula umama exabana notatami. That's what I want, because the more we try to, there's this thing on social media that says single mothers raise broken families, and I always say fire back to sender. My family is not broken, my kids are not broken, and the reason I am saying they are not broken is because I know the love that I give them. The love that I give my kids, you can never say my kids are broken. No, you can't. Bangcono badlula nina enhleni bayi2 endlini enilwa every day, nilwa phambi kwabantwana, nithi manivala ikamera abantwana bayava niyaphiza niyaqubuzana. Mine are much healthier emqondweni yabo because akho umuntu ulwayo, akho umuntu uthukayo, push love la kuphela. When I'm shouting is why are you not sweeping the floor? That's the shouting.
And we can see it, like you said. Uzani mosiye esikoleni kulo nyaka, and the teacher was saying to me that behaviors abantwana, we can see a child that's cared for, kokwabo. We can see a child that's troubled, kokwabo. We can because when the certain characters is xakelwa nomnye uyambona ukuthi yo lo ulwanyani lo uyagaleleka
ulwa uyabetha
ukuba lendaba zakho kwawo ukuthi ndingena ngamandla uyabona ukuthi innocent nyani kodwa we telling the truth.
You know what happened when I was at home? Eastern came was it last year? Yeah. Ulubanzi. I went home with Ulubanzi. Ulubanzi, there's a cousin of mine, unomntana olingana noLubanzi. Umntana ka cousin wami ebembetha manyani Ulubanzi. Sithi Lubanzi fight, Ulubanzi athi ame kanje izandla zakhe. Did tata izandla Lubanzi because I'm teaching him how to fight, and you know why he doesn't know how to fight. There's no one who's fighting in front of him.
That's why he won't, because he's not
used to it. He's not exposed to that. Imagine I'm mad because I'm like, he's your age, learn to fight. Dimbet and the tata izandla Lubanzi ilo athi but diyakulento yoba whatever that is happening in the house, that's what it's either you creating a monster or you creating a gentleman. It's with us. It's not with a family your kamama no tata. No. It's with you as a parent, whether there's a man in that house or not. It's with you. You choose how to parent your kids because you are creating something.
Yes.
In this thing that you are parenting, you are creating something. Choose for yourself. I don't want to create a monster. I don't want to create a man in Dotezofana no Tatai because I've experienced not to be chosen by a man. I've experienced for a man to say this is not my child. I've experienced to go to give hospital by myself without a man who impregnated me. I don't want to create anything that looks like the person who fathered you. Sure. That is why some people say, no, you are too soft. No, you love them too much. No, learn to say no. Dude, mind your own.
I don't even think go mind your own. I think social media has a tendency yokuthi sidlala ngayo. I don't know who's fooling who, but one of us is fooling. We're fooling each other because it was a quality. And that's why udibene notata kabani, and that's why ufuna ukudibana naye umthini phuma kutata kalubanzi phuma kuye uthi ntuni. But mna ndiyayazi ukuthi wami ndiyamfowunela ndithi kuye
which is why I don't listen to them. Every time when I share about my Lubanzi's dead story, and they will say leave him, I always comment and say definitely. Definitely.
How do I
because
leave
I
this
can't
person,
explain. They will never understand up until what happened to Obutle's death happens to Lubanzi's death. Then they will see why I kept on going back and saying, "Bo, we have a child." Yabo? Nhlale 2 years, 3 years ngibuye ndithi hayibo sinomntana. They will never understand up until they see Lubanzi's happiness, because that's all what yona into engiyifunayo leyo.
Also, into important kum is that umlomo uyadala. Whatever you say with your mouth, kum manifests.
And they always say abantwana bayakhula benganabo tata. Yes, I grew up without my dad, and unfortunately he passed away very, very young. But I know what that did to me.
And at least your dad passed away.
It was shame.
He passed away.
Ilenda ndikhalele Lubanzi.
Yeah. Yati sharp curve.
Very fast. It's better for a man who has done you wrong sometimes. By the time umntwana ephaphama, ndithi umntanam utata wakho wasweleka.
Futhi ayithethi. Overnight owakho ungcono uswelekile. Ayithethisi. He didn't choose to die. He did.
No. Ayithethisi mntanam akasekho. But
uhleli no mampintsha.
But now he's here, and I'm like, oh God, why is this man doing this thing? And I always question myself. But every time I look at him, I'm like, and like, look at Lubanzi. Lubanzi looks nothing like me.
Yeah,
and Lubanzi is a very good, handsome boy.
But he's gonna be buff as well.
His dad is tall.
Is it?
He's very tall. Tatak.
No pakwara.
I'll show you his picture when we're done.
Oh, no, no.
Lubanzi looks nothing like me. Even my body, and even when they say Lubanzi nezitho, ndithi tata akanamqondo. Lubanzi took his umzimba katata yakhe tall, nobuso akafani nami, ufana notata. Lubanzi is his dad. And every time when I look at him, I'm like, yazi yakhe izindoda enhle. Because, like, fortunately for me, I really don't date ugly guys.
Nazo?
No.
Nazo?
No shame, no, I ain't. And
come around.
Hopefully, I pray for that every day, shame.
Look, if this one came, it's just that Asa's good.
Yeah.
But also, I also believe in divine timing. Because Asa's what baggage he'd bring now. Of course, we'd like him in the picture. I'm not saying we don't.
Yeah.
Especially for umtanaki. But I also say, protect me from whatever might happen.
Yeah.
If I'm not ready for it, it mustn't come.
Because we pray for protection.
Yes.
We pray for protection, and you'll find that God is protecting me and my son from somewhere. And maybe by the time he decides, actually, let me go be a father to this boy. Izobe into ezininzi zakhe seke zisote out, and uThixo nyani amzise ezimpilweni zethu seke right to take care of us, or take care of his son,
because you also don't want someone who's going to be here because
uyamazi. But at least ngoku akamazi usesemncinci, so he has time to galavant, I guess, because he's galavanting. I don't even know why he's not here. But I guess he still has time because Lubanzi is still young. Not that I'm saying I don't want him to be here, but I'm just saying akakabhadli enough to see uba uputata. Hence I'm saying I wish angasheshayeke le nonsense ayenzayo. By the time umntwana ephaphama abeseke khona. But ke
what would you say to someone who is going through what you went through. Because I guess in the situation when you were going through yonke, I'm sure Kuluban's you're still going through it. You don't see it. Sometimes you don't even see a glimpse of light. It's like akabuilo.
Yeah.
I'm stuck here alone.
Yeah.
And what's
I don't see the light.
Yeah, but it's like, okay. Oh, before I go there, would you ever allow one of your baby daddies to parent Lubanzina? Let's say
no. No.
I asked this because let's say we are Bui. Okay, Ubuile, right?
I don't want any man to parent my child. If I won't no.
Why?
Bakhona tata babo basaphila.
Don't you feel like
bakhona tata babo basaphila? I have a younger brother who plays a huge role, a very, very big role in fathering my kids. So I don't need, be it a man that I'm dating or a man that will marry me, I don't want a man to father my kids. I want you to like my kids. I want you to have a relationship with my kids. I want you to play soccer, games, whatever. Yeah. Bakhuze, apho funeka bakhuze khona, but I'm not looking for utata wabantwana in a man that I'm dating because my brother plays that role. He is a father to my kids. When Oguhle wanted a PlayStation, my brother bought Oguhle PlayStation 4 because my son wanted a PlayStation. I didn't have the money to buy a PlayStation. My brother bought him the PlayStation 4. Little did we know that the dad is coming with the PlayStation 5. Do you get me? So I don't need any man who's gonna come here and I know
if you're right.
Bazobhubha nini? Kuzobe kunini ngoku? Kuzobe sabantwana sebebadala bekhulile. Besazi isandla sikamalume wabo. Bezazi izandla zotata babo. So I have a backup yokuthi if utata is not doing right, my brother is there to sort out whatever that this one is supposed to be doing. Do you get me? My son, if ufuna ama-vans, uya kumalume wakhe athi ufuna ama-vans. If akanamali, it's okay, thini zami ndikuthengele oraye kugogwa. Like kwenziwa so khona la endlini. Yabo? Sibaninzi. Senza sure ukuthi umntwana oyi-1 abe right.
I don't know if it's a closer thing or what it is. Amaxhosa athi noba ungamondli, noba angamondli umntanakho. Ndikhona mna. Akunamntana ozalamba ndikho.
Yeah.
Guys, kwaXhosa akunamntana ongalamba sikhona. Asiqala ukubona umntana ngalo wakho asigqibeli.
Exactly. My mom said when I told him the story about my baby daddy, Lubanzi, I was like, really? He's doing that? I was like, yeah, no, ngathi akuhambanga kahle. I was like, okay, sharp.
Masikhulise lo mntana.
Sizobona ukuthi siphuma kanjani.
And uyakhula Lubanzi now.
And that was it. Nanku Lubanzi is turning 3 years next month. I was like, okay, akamfuni. Uthini? Ndasiqala istory. Ndathi utata kaLubanzi uthi wathi okay, hayi. Miyeke mntana.
Phuma apha.
Hayi abazali bethu bazothi bathi miyeke mntana. Yiyeke indoda engafuni ukwenza into iyeke mntana.
Ndikhona mna.
Hayi ke ndathi hayi ke ziyasha. Ngaphuma emabhozeni ngathi ake ngiphume emabhozeni.
Would you ever allow Lubanzi to stay in the Eastern Cape?
I would, but I don't want to.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to. I would be emotionally hurting him and myself because we're so used to being together. So, and also I'm just trying to cut off this thing that every time when I have a child, someone raises the child for me. No, it's enough now. I didn't raise my firstborn. I didn't raise my secondborn. Like, clearly I'm gonna keep on having kids because I'm cool as bantwana.
Awusinda umbobo wakho.
And ngoku uyandisinda ke ngoku ndisinda ngale ndlela uba yey
literally now.
Like I can't move everywhere I go. Lubanzi is here and I'm like, oh, khula nini, you know. So I don't see myself having a child ever again. For the first time I'm raising a child and gila
phuma kimi.
Yo sana, like umuntu ovela athi usafuna umitha, yo nquma sana, good luck. Awe my good luck.
Uphume egamini,
Yo, uphume egamini, guys, no. But unless you do it like you know auntie abancedayo and maybe, but me doing it like this, kanje, no,
been there, done
I
that.
know I'm done with kids. No, guys, no. But I'll never take him to Eastern Cape. I don't want to hurt him. Mom once said I can bring him. I was like, no.
Manihlale naye ukuvakashela but
Nah, hlala nalo somthathile ongafuni naye.
I'm sure ukuthi ngowakhe.
Okuhle akafuni nix mama akafuni okuhle. Akafuni ungamncenga kuyobuya uYesu. Ngicela uhlala naye uthi nje no. Mina ndizohlala nobani.
But it is telling one like this is my child.
My child. Uvela buza athi mina ndizohlala nobani. Hayi unabo ndithi abantwana hlala ne-first born yakho. Ndithi first born yami hayi mdala akanaxesha lami athi nanku Lubanzi. Akafuni. So I knew ukuthi if I give Lubanzi kusho ukuthi mina andizoba namntana.
Awuphinda umithe.
Asoze. Oh no look.
Awuphinda umithe.
No.
Sure.
4.
We no longer 4.
4.
And
Mamela, growing up, I used to say I have 5 kids.
I can buy us.
Growing up,
3 down, 2
I
to
used
go.
to say when I have 5 kids, like my friends who know me from high school, my friends who know me, dala. Bavele batsho bathi ongaze pregnant. She did say also but abantwana abayi5.
Keep up nale nto wayithetha. Oba lithi 3 down, 2 to go.
No, but I God's will, but my will, no, I'm done. Ngokwami, I'm done. But yeah, no. If it happens, at least kube sendichatile ndihleli nendoda yami. Sendimupha umntwana nje because sichatile. Other than that, I'm okay. God has blessed me.
You okay?
Yeah.
No girl.
No. I have boys.
There's no girl in the pipeline.
I have boys. Boys are gonna give me girls. Ngina 3 boys. We understand about as abazukulu enzoba nabo. I have 3 boys, so no, it's fine. I'm okay.
Okay, what would you say to a lady, a girl who is going through whatever in terms of a baby daddy yakhe or umuntu omithi ngoku, she's pregnant and she's feeling like I'm going to antenatal classes or ntoni alone, I'm doing this, will it get better? Or
nah, I think my entire life God has proven to me that akakunika umthwalo ngaphezu kwamandla wakho. So yeah, people's situations are not the same.
Yes.
Right? Fine. People will always say that Uongezwa likes speaking like that because of her background. Because she has a solid backup. But I always say that God can never give you something that if he gives you something, God is the only giver of life. Unless God is the only giver of life. If he gives you that life, it's his soul. He wants his soul here on earth, right? For his own purposes. We only discovered no wonder nali talent like.
Yes.
You don't know what to say.
Sure.
So the fact that uThixo khona into amfumbathiseyo nuzani awuzuyazi ngoku, but eventually uzawuyazi andithi ngoyimama kuhleli naye. There is no way the same God ofuna umphefumulo wakhe to come here and fulfill his purpose uzokuyekelela ungakwazi ukuthi take care of that person. It's impossible. That's why kuthiwa abantwana ngesiXhosa bayakhula.
Yes.
Yabona. So I'm not saying if you want to go abort ungayi. It's your decision.
Kodwa ndikuthumi.
hayi ungathi ongeza
Yes.
Nah, I am not an advocate of abortion. Yabona le trend ka back to sender. Nah, I give again because I did not send 1, I did not send 2, I did not send 3.
Bakhona bayathenga.
And in very difficult situations, in situations where society judges me so much, why 3 baby daddies, why 3 kids, hey, you're not married. People think we're all supposed to live the same life. It's impossible. We're not gonna live the same life.
Asiphathanga into ezifanayo.
Asiphathanga into ezifanayo. When you give birth, when you push, the baby doesn't come out like this. The baby comes out from your womb with his or she avaliwe. So this thing that I'm carrying, it's not the same as yours.
Yes.
So mine came with 3 baby daddies.
Awusadiki. Guys, I can't take it serious. Kodwa ongezwa awusadiki. Ujo ubaphethe kanje. It's annoying.
Wena waphuma uphethe umyeni.
Hayi man. Okay, so
I'm being honest.
You do not know what tomorrow
God forbid I was a divorce.
Touch wood.
So, but all I'm saying is that, guys, our lives can never be the same.
Yes.
Whether you have 1 baby daddy, 2, 3, 5, whether you get married 3 times. There are people who are married 3 times, 4 times. And you're like, girl, give up. But no, unfortunately, that's how her story is supposed to be. A divorce, his story to tell. As much as me having 3 baby daddies, this is my story to tell.
Yes.
So in life, that source is a fan. As source, the guys is a fan. That is why ngafunikangasijajane, but try to support each other by all means, which is why I am saying this whole love thing andizukujaja if you decide to go do back to sender, because it's your story to tell and your reasons, not mine. My reasons for keeping abam nam is because maybe I knew what my background allows me to have a child. You know, my mom can financially support me, you know, or our reasons with our fun, we're not the same. Hence, our decisions in life are not the same. Fun. So I'm not gonna judge you, but if you are pregnant and your baby daddy is giving you issues, check your pocket. Can you financially support this child? How is your support system at home? Do you have someone who can support you, your mom, your dad, your sisters? Injani, check your situation before you take that decision. Check a situation yakho, does it allow you to keep that baby or not? And if it doesn't, then just trust that the God who gave you that child will help you to umkhulisa umntana. And it ends there. Because abanye abantwana bakhulile ngoku. My son is doing his last year university. Ukhulisiwe. 1 down. I'm done. 4 to go. 2. Wena nje ufuna ukundibona nithi.
Oh, did you 4 to go?
My friend, andizuba namntana mna. You? Hayibo.
Guys, I think what I wanted from here on Pendul, I always say, and I think abantu understand, man, ukuthi as much as, yes, we are not all married. Yes, we are not all, as I describe, but there is healthy co-parenting out there where we get along. I can call you quickly and say, yes, there's 1, 2, 3 happening. Can you make a plan? And I can trust that you will make a plan. And I'm also cognizant that not all of us are lucky to have that. But abantu that, hey, une demon man. Uthi alishake man, demon. Hey, alishake. But all we can say is that we hope and pray it lishake because wow.
We pray for our baby daddies. We really pray for them. and engathi nalamantombazana athandana nabo singawazi siwaxelela uba hey ungamitheli lo muntu lo.
Uba kulo mntu run ngeenyawo zombili.
No, I'm joking, Shay, man. But I always feel like, oh, if khona umuntu othanda utata umntanami o in love, yayazi uthanda isikhohlakala.
Athi ungamhlalisa phansi uthi angakwenzi le andenzeyo.
Hey.
Otherwise you in big trouble.
Because awusathembi, awusazi is this person incapable of love? Umthanda manyani lo muntu or uthi into yakho. I'm like, yo, like mna and utata umntanami like ndimbone ekhohlakele kuyo yonke into elifini. Uyibona be iset njani lo nto. Wenze into eyi-1 but ndimbone ngumuntu okhohlakele ungcole everywhere akukho la endingamwriter good khona uyabona. But yeah, no, there is a healthy co-parenting, guys, and the reason I shared that, there's someone who wrote a very irritating comment last week on my vlog. She said that you opened this when you posted your baby daddy, but now you don't want to answer.
Bakubuza ntoni?
Ngabantu abanganangqondo, why uzonixelela ukuthi you forcing me to answer questions about umuntu? I'm not posting about my baby daddy so that wenothanda indaba uzonibuza lo nonsense. I'm posting so that if there's a person ongana hope of a healthy co-parenting, see that there's healthy co-parenting. This is what it's about. It's not about uthanda indaba uba hey what. I am posting so that I give the next person hope ukuthi baby girl keep pushing. Mcenge if usamcenga kugcina sekulungile. There's definitely abanye you don't even have to cenga them.
Yes.
There are people who are in relationship healthy co-parenting azangacengwe utata umntana. But I'm just sharing my story ukuthi guys with faith and prayer and nokulobu upush kugqibela kulungile. Do you get me? Because I didn't have to beg my first baby daddy to be a parent. It was cool from the day I found out I'm pregnant. It was okay, let's go. That was it. I didn't have to. It was okay, sharp.
You've been going as ever since.
Yeah, and then now the second one is kwaba nama fanele DNA okay sharp kwagqibela sekuright yabo. So I'm just showing umuntu guys, there's healthy co-parenting. It's possible. It can happen. So that's the only reason why I am telling my story. That is why I am sharing my story. I'm sharing the difficulties of co-parenting. Hence I'm saying Utata Kalubanzi is not here. We are not co-parenting. We are not talking to each other. He's nowhere to be found. And then on the other side, I show a healthy co-parenting. He comes to the essay. He does this. He spends his money. He pays school fees. I'm showing two different styles of parenting which I'm currently experiencing. One is nowhere to be found, one is healthy. I'm teaching at the same time. Good mamelan, guys. If unotata une-deadbeat hayi khuleka sibaningi. If co-parenting healthy, hayi nami ngikhona. Siyayazi healthy co-parenting. That is the only reason why I'm sharing my story, is that guys ithanda ukuba nzima into ye-co-parenting, but iyenzeka at the end of the day.
I think I'm breathing like this because I don't even know how to articulate it.
Yeah.
Because if, guys, lingahlala phansi uyicinge before you type a comment.
Sana, I'm shooting. I'm going to take a call. Okay. And and the gate was calling. I need to open. Uvele wafona ndisafanele ngicofa inamba yokuvula.
So what I want to say is that before you become a keyboard hero, think about what you're about to write. And think about the fact that if it was written to me, yes, we are taking out our lives, yes, I'm showing you, yes, but there are some things that I don't feel like you have right. I don't feel comfortable with saying, because now you know guys.
I mean, I hear what you are saying. You are saying as abazali, let's not use our emotions when we're dealing with the baby daddies.
Yes.
And I've said this before on the podcast, and that guys, and people came for me and said people are not the same, and I'm like, yes, people are not the same. I'm showing my 2 cents advice that I don't use my emotions when I'm dealing with my baby daddies. I use my brains.
Yes.
Because the minute I use my emotions, then I'm gonna be upset ukuthi vela ungichatanga wawuthe uzongchata wanishiya wayochata omnye umuntu wanimithisa kwathi, then I'm gonna count all the things all undithembisa zona, you know, because I was in a relationship with this person and ndandimthanda. Now if I use my emotions, then that's what will happen, because now I'm using my emotions and I'm hurt and lo muntu bendimthanda, for God's sake. I didn't just fall pregnant nomuntu endihlangane naye eklabhini. Do you get me? Bend in a relationship, which is why I always avoid ndiyazikhupha mna ndizibeke ecaleni ndisebenzisa ingqondo yami ithini ulubanzi nathi ingqondo ayisathi utata kalubanzi wayethe uzonitshata
ithi nje
no inhliziyo ezothi hayi kaloku wayekuthembise umtshato uyayiva yo. But because I've clogged my heart, ndayivala ndathi okay hayi maniphume kutata kalubanzi ngenhliziyo ndithathe isitshixo ndisilahle, hayi shem akuhambanga kahle. But use your brains. What are your brains saying? I need him here. I need my son to have his dad. I need my son to have a relationship with that. Okay, how do I go about it? Ustrategize kahle, because the feelings azikho. Usebenza ngengqondo. Okay, hayi let me text. Hayi let me try call him. Hayi bomfethu, let's do a DNA test. Ngempela lo mntwana wakho. You know, because once one of my emotions, I was on Tuga every day. So I'm telling her where to get off.
Alright, because even the Bible says your heart, your mind reasons.
Yeah.
And it spirit of discernment. Your heart is full of deceit.
Yes.
You're drowning with it. There might be a future for us.
No.
There might be.
Future notata kalubanzi.
Umthandi nyani.
And bendimthanda. Yo Nkosi yami. Hayi shembandla.
Guys, I hope that I asked everything that you would have wanted me.
I hope they got everything
to ask. If not, it's okay. It's not the last one.
Yeah.
Put your questions in the comment section, and we will revisit this.
Nangu.
Kulubanzi was
ufa nditsho amehlo.
Guys, you're famous.
Ndake ndabaxelela nje.
Ndibona apha.
That's his best friend, this one.
Yo wangathetha ngaye kwenzeka into ezininzi.
I know, I can't talk about him. Ufana nolubanzi. Exactly.
Now the way especially up.
Ulubanzi ntshehleka. Someone once said ulubanzi unesmile sam that you awazi tatakhe. That esmile Nkosi yami. Utata kalubanzi usispoki uyamsendela. Unabo. Hayi ke
yibhasi. Uyabakhathalela kodwa bona.
Uyabakhathalela.
Lona kanti.
I don't know what happened.
Xa uthetha nalo best friend yakhe?
Ndamxelela and he did nothing about it.
What he's
going to talk to him? And I don't think he did. If he did, then zange wenze lento.
Because siselapha nango.
Yeah. No, his friends know. Some of his friends, they're still on my phone. I don't know why benganibhlokhi.
Let's bonus details of each other.
Naye tata kalubanzi uyaposta ku WhatsApp. Lo wami ke aposte. Khulile kuyazipostela nje ndithi hayibo ngoba ngungu up uyabona ndithi ndiscrolla kanje ndizibhekela ama status abantu ndithi
why status ki WhatsApp le
WhatsApp
why ivela kanje
andiyazi zivela kanjani ezeni kanje
yes
hayi ke nezami zivela yabo ndithi ndiziscrolla lapha ndithi hayibo ngutata kalubanzi nje lo ndivula istatus ndijonge ngoba ndiyazithanda neendaba ndizijongele izi-status zakhe ndihleke ndiphinde ndiphume. Mna ke shem ndiyakhawuleza nokuxola because umuntu angabuza ubuhlekani ndiqhuba like I'm not angry at him anymore. Like,
and it's not like uzothi umaluposta apho
there was a time when I was angry, there was a time when I hated him so much, there was a time when I wished angaginqeka nemoto at the same time, but I'm not there anymore. Like, honestly, I feel like if he would come back and try to talk to me, I wouldn't be even that upset. Probably I would be upset because I'm in feelings, now we're talking, but I don't think ndingaba nala msindo endandinawo kuqala. You know, now I'm it's okay, cool, you wanna see your son, okay, sharp. Funa senze iyona nto endingayithetha la naxesha lobe. I don't think ndingalwa like the way I think bendingalwa ngakhona ekuqaleni. Ndi-right ngoku. I think it's because it doesn't hurt me anymore. It doesn't hurt me anymore. I think I'm okay, I'm healed. Sendi-right. Sendilinde yena nje uba
come around, boy.
Yeah, that's if he wants to come around, but if he doesn't, it's still okay. I mean, part of my life, part of my challenges, and ndizazi challenges uThixo andibekele zona zizo ezindibhekene nazo, so I need to face them.
At least akalambe wondlekile umhle.
Oh, sana soza lambe.
He's taken care of.
Not now, not ever. He will never. One thing about God, my mom always says uThixo akaloxeleko. Yo, my mom always says ongeza uThixo akaloxeleko. The way I have so much faith with God is because of the things that asendidlulise kuzo.
And that's why he keeps showing up.
That's why he keeps showing up, because every time when there's a storm, I'm always relaxed. Kuyaqutha mina ndipholile. Kuyaqutha umoya uthi ndipho. Uthi mama bade bandibuza bakwathi nongeza lento sine stress uhleli urelaxile.
Andikakubona une-stress.
Jonga bade bandazi. Yeah, with my younger brother, bahleli bebuza kwathi uhleli upholile. Asinamali sixakekile.
When I hear
and I always remind my mom, but do you know ukuthi uThixo seke sidlulise ezintweni ezinjani for uba ndizoba ne-stress?
Izinto ezincinci.
Ndithi hayi sizoba right. Sizoba nayo imali, so phinde sizoba right. Yonke into izoba right because God has showed up for me in so many ways. Andinalo ixesha lokutatazela. While bantu bebusy besehla benyuka hayi mna ndizirelaxele ndithi God, when you are ready, I'll be here waiting.
Over to you, my dear.
Over to you, my dear. Over to you, my dear. Because no, I've realized that crying in life doesn't help. Crying and no, relax and think. Now, the more I'm relaxed, the more I know how to strategize and think. Ndayibona uba laa nto yokukhala incedile. Khala uvuka amehlo ebomvu. Uvuka ekuseni unesana nokukhala kwayizolo. Hayi, xa ungumama unalelo xesha. Funeka usebenze. And usebenze uyazi ukuthi uThixo ukhona uza kunceda.
That title carries so much weight. Uba umama.
Yo. Ndatsho mna ndathi uThixo, there's a reason why wandenza umama at a very young age. That guy knew how my life is going to turn out, and he knew ukuthi the only way when you're going to survive uzobe uphilela abantwana bakho. Yona nto ezokukhipha alive. Otherwise my life has we get throw my lemons ndatsho ndathi sikhona vele isidingo sokuphila. Ndandizibuza ndithi vele kahle kahle siphilelani, is there need?
Siyaphi?
Hayi hey life ke yaba rough guys. Mina ngihlala eDurban ndandide ndizibuza uba ikhona vele into esiyiphilelayo guys, like sizokwenzana emhlabeni andisibona. But every time when those thoughts came, my son, ndandikhumbula uba kanene nomntana. I don't want to be selfish. That was the only reason I have a child.
Ondidingayo.
I have a child. And okusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu knew wayezonikeza umntwana at the age of 18, because there was a time where I felt no akho need. But every time when I felt ukuthi akho need, that thing clicked ukuthi there is a need, you have a child. Ufuna umntana akho akhule nganamama.
Okay.
So I ndanyamezela ndathi hang on up until I'm fine now. I don't have suicidal thoughts anymore. I had to tag it out, push, pray, because I have a child. Bheka manje sihappy kanjani.
kufike nama PS5 guys.
Bheka manje sihappy kanjani. We are about to celebrate him graduate and bheka manje sihappy kanjani. Yabo ukuthi uSathane you must never let the devil win.
It was because Satan ukwenza ukuthi feel like there is no way out. He puts you in such a tight spot. The only way out of here is if I come out in this coup.
Exactly.
Out of the equation, and it's not.
It's not. And that's why in the Bible ethi uThixo akamxoleli umuntu owenza suicide, because usube sazi ukuthi mina as uNkulunkulu wakho awundithembi na ukuthi ngizawukhupha kule situation, awundithembi na. Uyayiva? Abe uSathane ethi take your life, akho need yokuphila. Ibikhona uThixo ngiziselene emhlabeni kanti akho need. But mina I always say the reason God gave me kids or umntana at that age, he knew uzamdinga. That was the only thing that kept me alive. Umntana uzodinga umama. Umntana okay, hang on, hold on, kuzolo umntana
till this day.
Hayi ke manje ke uthe fika uSathane ndimpheleze ngithi
on to the next one.
Ndimphebeze wathi efika notata kaLubanzi ndathi oh you are here, you want to finish me. You want to finish me, eh? That's okay. That ufuna ukundiqeda ke manje Sathane ukwimpi, you uze nenye ingonyama, uze nenye. Uyazi nto ku TikTok ethi uze nenye. Oh yes, lethi uze nenye. Ndanditsho kanjalo kutata kaLubanzi ndithi oh uze nenye Sathane. That uze nenye, that angeke uzulunga. Bo! Amkhahlela nami. Phawuselale uqhubeka no life. Look at us now. Yebo. And I'm turning 3 years next month. Life goes on. No. And this month actually yes, because I'm gonna buy a cake. Akanazitshomi. Nguwe, ngumendi. No, well, akanazitshomi. So I think I'm gonna buy a cake and that's it. We're just gonna cut cake and yeah. Adlala. And I also wanna get him a bicycle. Nje wethu ndizokwenza loo nto ngizonixelela akanazitshomi kaloku mntana.
Oba nazi ke esikolweni.
Hayi andizifuni. But anyway, hayi ba right andifuna ezitshomi. Guys, I think we've been yapping, I don't know for how many minutes now because we're using the back camera. I hope you guys enjoyed this little chit chat, and for those who don't know me and for those who have been here and there are things that you don't know about me, I hope you are answered and I hope you enjoyed this chit chat. If you want us to do more of this sit down videos, please comment on the comment section down below. Tell us if you want more of chit chats or siqhubeka ne-vlog siye kukuthetha because sithetha kakhulu. Because sithetha kakhulu. If you guys want us to continue with them, no problem. She is literally 10 minutes away from my house. But we need to shoot for her channel now. And yeah.
So after you watch this, go to my channel. There's another one.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please comment on her channel and please subscribe on her channel. We are on the road to and road.
Yo. Guys, asastaka no onge.
Ku 10,000. Yo guys, sifuna 10,000. Ndathi xa ndifumana 10,000 subscribers ndathi sobuphinde undive ndithi ndimi road.
Kuba sithetha sithi siyekile ngoku akusana road ya.
Hayi no.
Xa zizazizile xa zingazange.
In fact we are not on the road. Guys, just
subscribers will humble.
Yo, subscribers. Yeah, well, guys, we are not on the road, guys. Kodwa ke ngiyanicela, please subscribe on the channel. And please subscribe on my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. We'll definitely see you guys tomorrow on a Sunday because I'm gonna get home, edit, and I'm gonna post this tomorrow. I will see you on my next one.
Bye.
Kulungile, bye.
That's how we say it. There's a company I was doing that. Kulungile, bye.
Choncha, my friend.
That's kulungile, bye.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, would you?